Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bol Dil Se and 25 subscriber I have. So I am still processing and making each and every day video. Look guys, content creation is a journey. Okay, so you don't have to stop it. I mean, at least give at least 2 or 3 hours. Okay, three. It's very important that 2 or 3 years you are giving to, because you know what, content creation is the only niche. Okay, otherwise if you just go to corporate world, okay, see the reality. If you go to engineering, see the reality. If you go to NEET, see the reality. If you just go to any kind of right now, this is any kind of exam, just go and watch the reality. Okay, because you know what, I really have no words. Look guys, it's very important that you are just following my channel, because you know what, you are 15 and 20 kids. Okay, you are in school or college and no one will tell you this thing. I have gone through, so this is I know, and my age, only my age generation that know that this is the reality. Look, 4 or 5 things you really should keep away it. If you are hearing again and again 4 or 5 things, you are in a society, just heard very carefully. Look, first of all, पैसा तो हाथ की मैल है. If you are heading this, पैसा तो हाथ की मैल है, पैसा तो आता जाता रहता है, पैसे में कुछ नहीं रखा, पैसे में खुशी नहीं है. And there are 7 or 8 metrics that I am really telling you that if you are hearing this kind of thing, just leave that area. Just leave that area and leave that people as much. Just leave that company as much as possible. If you are hearing this kind of stereotype, again I am telling you, heard this. पैसा तो हाथ की मैल है, पैसा तो आता जाता रहता है, पैसे में कुछ नहीं रखा, पैसे से खुशी नहीं मिलती. Look, all this heard, and look, हमें सदैव, you know, in school or college, what kind of stereotype, if you are just go that era, then you can easily see that what I'm really trying to say. Look at our teacher, look at our private teacher, okay, and just go to that any government teacher. Just visit to any government school and just watch there. Okay, you know what, this BJP is this great BJP. Now I'm just really saying that what will the exact Narendra Modi will say, because now this is over the limit. I know he never live in this country in the next 12 years after in 2014 when he was become prime minister. He just settled to our future again and again, every 2 days in France, Rome, Germany, in every 2 days. So yes, now I'm really hoping that because now is just crossed the limit. Okay, now is just cross the limit. So I am really hoping that now what he gonna will say, but really he gonna, because otherwise there is no escape plan. Okay, there is no escape plan, because people know truth about media, people know truth about government, people know truth about this whole stereotype, our education, sports, every kind of system. So now I'm really hoping in the next 3 or 4 months that what will gonna be do. You know what? I'm just like a TV. I'm just enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. Now I'm exactly seeing that I'm watching a TV. Best one. Now I'm really watching a TV. And I am a remote. I really want that you should become like this. You have to be remote and make world this TV. Okay? So yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and for this kind of information, please follow my channel and please tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much.